Okay guys, back again to our channel. This time we buy a foam mattress. Indonesian is called Kasur Busa. Class is density is D20, branded is Royal Foam. This is the specification. The picture of the product is unloaded, so I going to live. Okay, this is what we buy. The color is yellow, and let's we unboxing this. This is with this foam has a special size for the bed. In the ending of the video I will show you what kind of bed have size like this. 150, 193, the thickness is 14 centimeters. Okay, this packaging is solid. This estimate 1 meters between x 50 centimeters, so it can bring by motorcycle. Okay, we unbox this. I unthink about the ropes. It's so tight that's makes sometimes need more time to open this. Okay, it's open at the top. It's too tight to open, so I open the another side of this packages. Okay, this side open from the another side. Okay, boom. Okay, this is it. Yeah, oops, that a sample cut, and this is a guarantee cut. 10 years guarantee. 10 years about what? 10 years about the loss of the thickness, okay, as you see, it's very thin because the air inside the foam has been vacuumed out. You see, very thin, looks like a wrong size. Condition is good. Okay, we continue to unboxing the second layer. This is the plastic who wrap and vacuum. I will untip about the ropes, and after this you will see this foam, bed foam, will be expand back to the real size, and the magic happen after this. Okay, the fresh air comes. You can see there's, I make you listen about the sound of because the fresh air get in, and the foam is getting back to his real size. See, it's getting bigger again. Magic happen. Okay, oh, look at that, so thick, because that's, you bend it, you bend the foam mattress. Okay, I open the sides of the plastics, and I will try to bring this out from the plastics. Okay, it become real size right now. Plastic is so tight. Okay, I make you see, this is from above, become so big again. It has been flipped 3 times. Okay, let's bring this out. Okay, I push the plastic to down and bring this up. Nah, this is it, the real size. Can you imagine how many fresh air has been vacuumed out from this foam mattress? Okay, I will measure the size of this foam to make sure that this is really like that's written in the specifications, because this is a custom size. Okay, I think the length and the height is correct. This is the guarantee card, you can scan it, and this is a sample, you can use the sample for the wash your car. And this is the final, the exactly same, and we put and we doubles with another sheet of see, you can see it exactly same. I put in this in Indonesia called Bali, a place for bed, sponge bed made from woods, like this. This is old Bali. Bali is construction for bed, like that. Yeah, this is, thickness is 50 centimeters. This is exactly same. This is for 2 peoples. Exactly same with the came. When it came. Okay, thank you for watching. Oh yes, before closing, I remember you must be asking about the originality. Where is the brand? This is the brand is when you open the free cover, because the Gucci is free cover, you know. You can see the real brand of this foam, Royal Foam. Okay, it's manufactured under license from the AG Switzerland, top brands Indonesian 2021, and guarantee 10 years, and has been sanitized active fresh. Okay, and this is cannot be removed because this is a hot print, I think, hot print in this foam. You can see this, it's hot print. This is a show that this thing's original. Thank you for watching.